everybody, Chris here at Tullson Safe Restorations. Thank you for joining me today. This is our 1901 Mosler Screwdoor Cannonball safe. The other day I did a live video and I was calling it a 1902. I was a year off. I get my years mixed up sometimes. They're all similar in years, late 1800s, early 1900s. So each one has its own individual story. This one came out of a bank. It's going to a client in Canada. He requested this custom color, and so we did all the body work on it, and we stripped it down, and all the artwork was mapped out. And so we took that original artwork, mapped it out, so we can duplicate it and put it right back on exactly where it was before. And I'll be doing the artwork stages next, and I'm really excited about this. This color is black pearl. I did 3 coats of pearl on top of it, and it is deep. The camera doesn't do it any justice. I got to clean up the paint and do the artwork and stuff. And when this thing is done, it's gonna be really incredible. The camera really does not do this paint justice. You can't see all the flake and the pop in it. It just doesn't capture that. I wish you guys could see it in person. So I'm going to be doing some more videos. Hey, don't forget to hit the like, follow, and share button. I really appreciate all our followers. We're working on our social media and stuff and working on our Google, and we're getting there. So bear with me. I'm an expert in restoring safes and vaults. I am not an expert in social media and the camera thing, and I'm learning everything. So I'm doing the best I can. Thank you for your support. Thank you for my clients that believe in my work. 48 different states, 8 different countries. Never in a million years did I think my work would be going all over the world. So I appreciate you all, and I hope you have an amazing day.